Hello guys, welcome back to RS Codex. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to in detail explain the setup of Visual Studio Code on our PC and what are the remaining tools that we have to install on our PC so that the Visual Studio Code is used for C and CPP languages both as well. Okay, it's going to be very easy. I will explain in detail each and every step. So stay tuned until the end. Let's get started. First, initially enter into the Google Chrome. Enter VS Code download for Windows 11. Okay, when you clicked on it, otherwise there is, as my PC is related to Windows 11, I have clicked like that. There is no mandatory that you have to do, but it will appear like this. Download Visual Studio Code. Free AI code editor is there. No, click on it. After clicking on this, it will appear like this. Download Visual Studio Code free and built on open source AI generator. Something will be there. Click on Windows 10 or 11 if it is a window, otherwise MacBook. Here you can see the Ubuntu as well. I have clicked on this. It will appear like this and it will start downloading. Okay, it will appear like this. I have already pre-installed on my PC, so I am stopping it. I don't want to download it again. But after this download process been done, it will appear like this. Okay, after the downloading is been done. Once go into File Explorer, you all know that File Explorer. In File Explorer, enter into the downloads. In the downloads, the top option, it will appear like VS Code user setup. Like this, it will be displayed. Okay, at the top it will be there as it is now only downloaded. Double click on it. Then it will appear like this. On the screen, you will get a pop-up like this. Do you want to allow this app to make a change to your device? Then click on the yes option. After clicking on this, it will show like this. Welcome to the Visual Studio Code setup wizard. Click on the next. After that, it will ask some additional tasks that you should be added. Here, other is there, no? In other, all these four options should be tick marked. I will zoom in. Here, all these four options should be kept as tick mark. Another option is there, no? Create a desktop shortcut. If you want your Visual Studio Code on your desktop, means when you open the PC, if you want your Visual Studio Code on your desktop, you can keep this option tick mark. Otherwise, there is no mandatory that we should keep it. After clicking, make them these four options tick mark. Click on next. After that, it will appear like this, ready to install. Then click on install. Once the installation has been started, it appear like this. Whenever the screen is fully filled, then ultimately the installation process has been done. Completing the Visual Studio Code setup wizard is been appeared. Then click on finish. After that, again exit. Here you can see I have come back to the home page. Right click on the screen. Here you can see open with the code. It will be appeared. Click on it. This is how actually the Visual Studio Code will be appeared inside. As it is the first time, you might feel somewhat complicated, but it's going to be very easy. Most of the options, there are plenty of options. We don't use all the options, but some options we will use. Okay, before that, we have to create some files related to that. So enter into File Explorer. Wait a minute. Okay, let us create a file that is Control Shift N. A new file is been created. Let us keep some name as C++ programming. Okay, it has been created. Okay, go back into Visual Studio Code. Click on these three small slashes there. No, click on that. Click on the files. Click on the folder. Sorry, I have created the folder, not file. Okay, Here you can see CPP program is there, no? It will be appeared clearly. What are the folders that have been already pre-created? Click on that CPP programming. Select the folder. Now here you can see all the programming that you are going to do in the Visual Studio Code will be stored in this CPP programming folder. Is there, no? Every detail will be stored in that particular folder. There will be no deletion of that data. Don't worry about that. Okay, now once go into this 3 slashes are there, no? Go into it. Click on the terminal. After clicking on the terminal, click on new terminal. Here we have to check whether GCC is very essential for the running of C or CPP. Once check whether it has been pre-installed or we have to install. GCC space hyphen version. Click on enter. If it appeared like this, the term GCC is not recognized as the name. Like this, it will appear that means in Visual Studio Code GCC was not pre-installed. That means in your system GCC was not pre-installed. Now we have to install it. Okay, go back into Google Chrome, enter MinGW. Here you can see MinGW minimalist GNU for Windows is there. No, only click on that. Try to choose only that website. Here you can see click on the download. It will start downloading. 3, 2, 1. Wait a minute. Okay, it has been started. You can see now the downloading process has been done. Like Visual Studio only, when Visual Studio Code also been downloaded, it will appear like this only done option. Double click on it. Okay, here you can see. Here this is how it appear when we double click on that MinGW. Click on the install one. Click on continue. It will start installation process. I think about 113 items it will download. Actually, I'm pausing the video. I don't want to make the video that much lengthy. It will take some time. After all the download process has been done, here you can see the continue button. We can't click it now. Okay, whenever all the download process has been done, we can directly click on the continue. So please wait. I will pause the video. I don't want to make the video more lengthy. Okay. Okay, here you can see processed 113 items. Okay, now the download process has been done. Now you can see the click option is been activated. Now click on continue. Sorry, continue option has been activated. Click on the continue. Here it is very important. In here packages are there, no? In these packages you have to click on MinGW32 GCC G++ is there, no? Click on that. Mark for installation. Okay, click on that. You will get mark for. Click on that. You will get mark for installation. After that, MinGW32 base is there. No, click on that. Mark for installation. Okay, after clicking on these two and making them mark for installation, click on this installation. Apply changes. Click on apply changes. Click on apply. Again, the packages that we wanted additionally that are going to be downloaded. It will take some time. Wait for some time. If you have any sort of doubts in the process of installation or anything went wrong, you might done something mistake before steps. Try to see the video again and correct those mistakes what you have did. And if you have any doubts in the installation process, you can comment me in the comment section. Don't worry if anything went wrong, everything can be changed. Okay. If you feel the video is informative, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe for the channel for upcoming informative videos related to the different languages of coding. Okay. It might take some time. Okay, here you can see the downloading process reached its end stage. Let's wait for a few seconds. Here, all changes were applied successfully. When it appeared like this, click on the close and close this as well. Wait a minute. Applied no already. Some applications are being not applied. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, this one and is not been installed. Let us wait. Okay, that change has been again reinstalled. After that, again it will appear like this. All the changes applied successfully. Now close this. Okay, it has been closed. Now we have to set up our environment. Before that, first enter into the file explorer. In that file explorer, go into this PC. In this PC, go over here, double click on it. You can here find the MinGW, double click on it. Here the first option bin is there, no, click on it, double click only. Here you can see this is the way to reach over here. This path we have to copy paste in the environment variables. Now it has been changed now. Once I will show it again. Enter into the file explorer, this PC, Acer, enter into MinGW, double click on it, enter into bin. This process is there. Now we have to paste this address. Now it is appeared like this. We can't paste it now. Click on this. Okay, it will come like this. Then copy paste that. We have copy paste that. Now click on Windows. In Windows, enter environment variables. Here you can see edit the system environment variables is there. Now click on that. Here it will pop up like this. After it has been pop up like this, click on environment variables. Click on that. In that environment variables, click on path. Path edit. Here you can see. After clicking on the path and clicking on edit, here it will appear like this. Click on new. Copy paste that address over here. After pasting this, click on OK. Here also OK. OK. Now the environment also been done. Now again go back into the Visual Studio Code. Now after going into the Visual Studio Code, click on the terminal, new terminal. Wait, now enter, try to enter this again. Version. Here you can see gcc.exe has been installed. It has been set up. If suppose again it has been appeared like something it is been not installed, though you did the every process correctly, although it is been appeared like this, then you have to go back from the Visual Studio Code and again try to come inside and check it again. Once cross check if it is appeared like this and the problem is appeared same, then okay, then restart the system. It is the solution. After restarting the system, it will be show installed. The same problem is being faced by me. Then I have restarted the system and I have checked, I mean verified again. Then it is appeared like this only. Okay, don't worry about that. Now we have created the folder. We have installed firstly we have installed Visual Studio Code. We have created the folder for CPP. After that we have installed GCC by installing the MinGW. Now we have to install some extension related to this CRCPP. That is, here you can see 5 options are given. Now the 5th option is extension. Click on this extension. Here you can see if it is appeared like this, no problem. Wait a minute. I have pre-installed that. Now again I will go into extensions, click on run code, code runner. Okay, clicked on code runner. Here you can see the first one, it appear like this, dot run will be there. It will run C, CPP, Java, all these it will run. Click on the install button, click on install. The installation been done. Okay, now the code is also been run. Okay, now the code runner is also been installed. All we have installed. Okay, now here you can see the CPP programming has been set up. Now another important thing you have to keep in mind that, let me wait. Let us take some code from online compiler. Online CPP compiler we will do. Let it be CPP. In further videos, I will explain in detail what is the structure of CPP, that is C++. Don't be worried about that. But as of now, once let us see that code. Here you can see how it actually appear. Okay. Before that, we have to create a new folder. Sorry, new file. Let is be keep as program one dot CPP extension. We have to keep, I think so. Okay. Now copy paste that. Let us try to run, save that. Before that, one important thing in Visual Studio Code is that Control S should be clicked. That is to save the program before running. Wait, here you can see start small, ship something. Here you can see this is what we have to display. It has been displayed. Okay, if we do like this, okay, run. Here you can see it has been displayed. But one thing is that in run code, one default is there. If we run something by taking the input from the user, it won't take the input from the user. For that, go into settings. Here you can see the settings icon. Click on settings. Here enter into the settings and enter like run in terminal. Run in terminal is there, no? Don't make it tick mark. Remove it from the tick mark. Now it will take the input from the user. Okay. Now everything has been set up. From next video, we are going to start our programming. It's going to be very interesting. I hope you all are feel somewhat easier in the installation. It helped you. If it feels informative, please like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe for the channel for upcoming informative videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you.